Good morning, children. In today's class, we are going to learn what are isotopes, the types of isotopes, and some examples for isotopes. Okay, children. So, isotopes, their types, and some examples of isotopes we are going to learn today. What are isotopes? Atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass numbers are called as isotopes. Atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass numbers are called as isotopes. So this is the definition for isotopes. What are the types of isotopes? There are mainly two types of isotopes. They are stable isotopes and unstable isotopes. Unstable isotopes are radioactive in nature because of the presence of extra neutron in their nucleus. They become radioactive. The unstable isotopes become radioactive because of the presence of extra neutron in their nucleus. And they are also called as radioisotopes. Examples for radioisotopes are uranium-235, which is used in nuclear reactors, and cobalt-60, which is used as a treatment for cancer in radiotherapy. In radiotherapy treatment, cobalt-60 is used. The isotope cobalt-60 is used in radiotherapy treatment for cancer treatment. These two isotopes, uranium-235, cobalt-60, are radioisotopes because they are unstable and they are radioactive in nature. They instantaneously emit high energy radiations like alpha, beta, gamma radiations. So these are the two types of isotopes, stable isotopes and unstable isotopes. Now let us learn some examples for isotopes. Isotopes of hydrogen. The isotopes of hydrogen are protium, deuterium and tritium. In protium, deuterium and tritium, the atomic number is 1. It is common to all these isotopes. The mass number of these isotopes differs. For protium, the mass number is 1. For deuterium, the mass number is 2. For tritium, the mass number is 3. Okay, children. In protium, there is no neutron. In deuterium, there is 1 neutron. In tritium, there are 2 neutrons. Okay, as the number of neutrons present in the nucleus increases, that isotope becomes radioactive. Among these three isotopes of hydrogen, tritium is radioactive in nature. The next isotope we are going to learn is isotopes of helium. Natural helium isotopes are helium-3 and helium-4. Helium-3 and helium-4. Atomic number is 2, mass numbers are different. Helium-3 and helium-4 are the isotopes of helium. Isotopes of lithium. Atomic number for lithium is 3, but the isotopes of lithium are lithium-6. Lithium-7 and lithium-8. Isotopes of carbon. For carbon, there are 3 isotopes. They are carbon-12, carbon-13 and carbon-14. Atomic number of carbon is 6. So all these isotopes have 6 protons and 6 electrons in their orbits. But the number of neutrons differs. In the case of carbon-12 isotope, the number of neutrons is 6. The number of neutrons is 6. In the case of carbon-13 isotope, it is 7. The number of neutrons is 7. 13 minus 6, it is 7. In carbon-14 isotope, the number of neutrons is 8. Now, what is the number of nucleons present in carbon 12, 13 and 14 isotopes? It is given by a number called nuclear number. The number of nucleons present in an atom is given by nuclear number. So nuclear number corresponds to the number of protons and the number of neutrons present in that atom. In carbon 12 isotope, the number of protons is 6 and the number of neutrons is 6. So totally 12 nucleons are present. Coming to carbon 13 isotope, 6 protons and 7 neutrons are there. So the nuclear number is 13. Coming to carbon 14 isotope, 6 protons and 8 neutrons are there. So the nuclear number is 14. Okay children, so they are called as carbon 12, 13 and 14 isotopes of carbon. Coming to the next example, isotopes of nitrogen. Nitrogen 14, 15 and 16 are the isotopes of nitrogen. All these isotopes, they have the same atomic number as 7, but their mass numbers, they differ. Mass numbers are 14, 15 and 16. Nitrogen 14 is an isotope, nitrogen 15 is another isotope and nitrogen 16 is another isotope. So these are the isotopes of nitrogen. This is isotopes of oxygen, O16 and O18. Oxygen 16 and oxygen 18 are the two important isotopes of oxygen. They have the same atomic number 8, but the mass numbers are different. One oxygen atom has got 16 as its mass number, the other oxygen atom has got 18 as its mass number, so they are called as isotopes. Isotopes of chlorine. Atomic number of chlorine is 17 and the isotopes are different. Chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are the isotopes of chlorine. So one chlorine has got 35 as its mass number and the other has got 37 as its mass number. So chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are the familiar examples for isotopes. Isotopes of chlorine. Isotopes of uranium. Uranium, a radioactive element. Uranium 235, uranium 238, uranium 233. Uranium 233, uranium 235 and uranium 238. All these are the important isotopes of uranium. They have the atomic number 92, but the mass numbers are different. One is having uranium 233, the other is uranium 235 and the other isotope is uranium 238. Okay children. So from mass number and atomic number, you can calculate the number of neutrons present in these isotopes just by using the formula number of neutrons is equal to mass number minus atomic number. Okay. So in this class we have learnt isotopes, definition and some examples for isotopes. I hope you might have understood today's class children. Thank you children.